Want to trade on your iPhone or iPad? Here's how to download Metatrader 4 on iOS. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Here you can see the search bar. Tap on it and search for Metatrader 4. Once you find the official app, tap on it to open the details page. Now here you can see the Get button. Tap on it to begin the downloading. Wait for the app to install and then tap Open to launch Metatrader 4. You are now ready to sign in and start trading with ease on your iOS device. Ensure your iOS version is up to date for a smooth experience. Are you an iOS user? Comment below if you have downloaded Metatrader 4. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.